Hey yo, what's up? Hey guys, and we are here at SM. I'm with Rhea and Janice is coming, and we are taking my bus going to the airport because we're going to J Park. Pila video palit. Hello, 4-eyed Vlogan. Hello. Yo, one mo. Bye.
Thanks, guys.
Kinsa to sila eh.
Sikat ka na, besh.
Kinsa to sila. Hi, whoever you are, comment down below. Para kailangan din. Okay. Okay, see you sa J Park. Good evening, Philippines. We just arrived in J Park together with these girls that my back, and we're gonna party. Bro, long time no see. Nasty Pam, idol vlogger, Ramsey,
Hi. Hi, 4-eyed.
Just in time for the party. Round 2, kainan na. Kainan na. So the hipsters, CBC gang is here. Yay!
Hi. Kurong day today,
Birds. It's Shaggy over there. Moni si Master Hokage. Moni ang pinaka-Hokage sa group. Hey guys, we are here at the Abalone restaurant in J Park, and as you can see, so many people. Nakakagtao, diba? And we are having our free dinner. So thank you very much, J Park Island and Water Park Resort. You know what, guys? I so love the lighting here. Okay. Punta kayo talaga. Dili may lang nalagom na kayo ba? So yeah, mga anta. That's it. So yeah, busog na kayo mi guys, and look at my chan. Di maday. We are heading to Havana. This is newly opened restaurant or food party in J Park Island Resort. We're gonna have some awesome party, and let's party, people! Baby's Adventures! Pam! And you?
Come on out, party, everyone, here we go, I want to see all the party people right now.
Hey guys, so we are going somewhere else, and we're gonna have some salsa dance. So we're gonna come back later here in J Park Island Resort and Water Park. It's gonna be awesome. Hey guys, we are here at the B Resorts, and we're gonna have some salsa night. Salsa night, alright? And it's my first time, again, it's my first time joining this kind of event, and I don't even dance salsa, so what could happen? I don't know. I'm excited. Okay. Hindi ko makita. Amo na yung bahala. Alright, basta like and subscribe. Hey yo, we're gonna dance some salsa. It's my first time. I love it. Warm up ba ito?
Balik na tayo, naka-warm up.
Yo, that's it guys. I hope na-delete ko ninyong i-unsubscribe kaya sayo ko salsa kalit. Alright, please like and subscribe, okay? So guys, there is a beer resorts. Dili lang ta magsalsa night. Dapat tayo food trip. Yeah, thank you very much beer resort and hope you join here and come here Saturday kay enjoy the salsa and as you can see, di ba? That's it guys. That's it guys and yeah and we are heading back to J Park Resort. Okay. Hey yo guys, and I'm finally going home. Observed that the previous clip was not J Park, but it was in somewhere out there. Guys, so yun minang uli ganiha sa J Park. I'm finally going home. Medyo ngit-ngit kay dire sa muak. Tapit sa muak. Buti ang ngit-ngit kay dire. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed and please don't unsubscribe because I got drunk. So, like and subscribe and I hope you had fun and see you in the next vlog. Bye.